Taking a look at today's energy markets, let's look at WTI crude futures as they're moving higher today. Crude futures trading higher for a third session now, and today we're looking at the futures market trading up just under 3%, currently at the 70.45 level, retaking that 70 handle today. It's about 2.5-week high for the crude market as well. So we're seeing markets finding momentum here to the high side and challenging recent highs. And when you look at the driving factors today, I think there's a couple of things influencing the market. Number one, fiscal policy in China has shown that they possibly could see some devaluation of the currency and other things that are viewed from a longer term perspective as potentially increasing demand for crude as a possibility of economic activity picking up there. So that announcement here in the last 24 hours, I think, is something that's helping to support the market from a demand standpoint. Couple that with talk about the U.S. Implementing further restrictions on Russia oil market, or distribution, I should say, and therefore you're seeing a potential disruption in global supplies. And so that's another factor, I think, having a short-term impact, with both those things kind of working their way through the market today, providing a lift for crude for a third session here. And when you look at the general trends, with crude maintaining this upward momentum, we are coming off the low end of the range for the last 3 months, where we're prior to this move higher above 70, and now kind of establishing the top end of the range for the last 3 months. So we're kind of bouncing around between 72 on the top end, 65 on the low end, and now back over 70. So this momentum continues to move us back towards the higher end of the recent range. And we look at the energy quadrant as a whole today, pretty much higher prices across the board, particularly when you look at natural gas, up about 6% on the day. It's 3.36. So again, holding on to the recent gains and then some as we see higher price action again across the board, with WTI maintaining upward momentum and now holding them on that 70 handle and trading up to a 2.5-week high.